Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update apps on Fire TV Stick. Alright, let's begin. First, you can manually update apps. Go to your list of apps on the Fire TV Stick and navigate to the app you want to update. For example, if you want to update the Downloader app, highlight it and press the 3-line button on your remote. This will open a menu where you select More Info. You will be taken to the apps page in the Amazon App Store. If an update is available, click the Update button and the app will install the latest version. Alternatively, you can enable automatic updates for all apps. Go to Settings, Applications, App Store, then turn on Automatic Updates. With this setting enabled, all apps on your Fire TV Stick will automatically update whenever a new version is released. This ensures your apps stay up to date without manual intervention. So that's basically how you can update apps on Fire TV Stick. That's it for this video. Thanks.